harvested by hand and machine to rufels, only at peak ripeness. Only visually perfect fruit moves forward.
Temperature control starts before the fruit leaves the farm.
Fresh fruit travels fast, without breaking the cold chain. Every delivery is logged before processing begins.
Every kilogram is recorded before unloading.
Precision docking keeps fruit handling damage-free. This is the first contact point inside the factory. Defects are removed before washing begins. Lasers and cameras catch what the human eye might miss. Automation ensures uniform quality at high speed. Pre-washing removes field dust before deep cleaning. Rates. High pressure removes stubborn contaminants.
Mechanical brushing cleans without damaging the skin.
Immersion cleaning reaches every crevice. Ultraviolet light reduces surface microbes safely. Clean fruit is staged for processing.
Quality checks begin before fruit is processed.
Fruit is now fed into the extraction line. Pulp and seeds are separated in one continuous process. Seeds are removed and routed out of the food stream. The pulp is transferred for heat treatment. Pasteurization eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving flavor.
Rapid cooling stabilizes texture and sweetness.
Every batch is tested before it becomes dessert.
Proved pulp moves into dessert production. Cream and pulp blend to create the dessert base. Homogenization creates a smooth, consistent texture. Texture and consistency meet final specifications.
Every cup is filled with exact precision.
Each dessert is sealed for freshness and safety.
Every cup is traceable back to its batch.
Computer vision checks every single unit.
Individual cups or groups are grouped for bulk handling.
Trays are packed for transport efficiency. Sealed cartons protect products during transport. Every case is labeled and traceable. Robots stack cartons for safe transport. Stretch wrap stabilizes loads for shipping. Cold storage preserves freshness until shipment. Orders are picked precisely for distribution. Refrigerated transport maintains product quality. Each shipment is sealed and cleared for dispatch.
From factory floor to distribution network.
The journey continues toward distribution. Shipments arrive at regional distribution hubs.
Pallets are unloaded for inbound processing. Inventory is registered instantly on arrival.
Products are sorted by retail destination.
Orders are loaded for final retail delivery.
The final leg begins toward store shelves.
Delivery reaches the retail warehouse and the cashier. Products are unloaded for store processing. Retail acceptance confirms the delivery. Cold storage holds products until shelf placement.
Products are prepared for fast shelf placement.
Shelf-ready trays move onto the sales floor. Products are merchandised for maximum visibility. Clear pricing guides the customer's choice. From fresh fruit to the customer's basket.
And that's how fresh custard apple becomes a finished dessert.